Hey everyone, Randy coming back at you, Carolina Picker, and today I want to go over leaving feedback and how that can help you grow your eBay business. So let's go ahead and flip over to a screen share and we'll go over each and everything that I want to tell you about how to possibly grow your eBay business simply by leaving feedback. Okay, so there's a couple of different ways you can get to the point where you leave feedback. One of the ways that I do it all the time, or the way I do it all the time, is I'm just on my dashboard here and I just come down to shipped and awaiting your feedback. And I just click on that. But you can also go to orders and go to paid and shipped and leave feedback there. So I just go down here to this. And what I do is I like to wait. Now, this is totally up to you. I like to wait till it's been delivered and it's been a few days since it's been delivered. So let's go ahead and leave feedback on this particular one here. It was delivered on the 9th. And so let's go ahead and leave some feedback here. Now you can either click leave feedback or you can come over to this pencil right here, leave feedback. I usually just go over to the pencil. Now here's where someone may or may not know that they can do this. You can use custom feedback, but why type it in every time when you can use stored feedback? All you do is click on stored feedback and click on edit. And you can change any of these. Thanks for the purchase. And then just click save. And now I can just come down here and just click thanks for the purchase. But the one I'm using, and I'm going to let you read it here, it says, thank you for your purchase from lots of deals. Check us out for great savings. Now, how's that going to show up on somebody when you've left feedback to them? Let's go over here and take a look at that. Okay, so I'm down here under the orders paid and shipped, and I'm going to go over to this person here. I've got their name blurred out so you can't tell who they are, but I'm going to go over to their site, and I'm going to show you how that feedback shows up on their site. So what happens is when you go to their feedback, and a lot of people see their feedback because a lot of people view it, look how it shows up here. Thank you for your purchase from lots of deals. Check us out for great savings. And someone can just click here and they can come over to our store. So this is just yet another great way for you to get your store out there, get your eBay listings out there, and try to build your store up. So I hope this helped. Leave a comment down below if you already knew this or if it helped you with new information, because I like to know if I'm actually giving out good information or not. It's just little tips and tricks that I find along the way that I hope I can help you with. And hopefully that'll help you grow your eBay store. Listen, if you hadn't liked, shared, and subscribed to this channel, please do so. You're going to have more great tips like this and tricks coming up, as well as what's selling for me. And we'll go out and do thrifting together and different things like that. So I appreciate each and every one of you that have already subscribed. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and click that thumbs up for this video. And don't forget to click that bell so you're notified with each and every one of my videos. And until next time, I'll see you on the flip side.